How to block and unblock someone on TikTok. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, simply open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Now, once inside the TikTok app, all you have to do is go to the profile of the person you want to block. It's either your friend, or you can simply search them, or you can simply go from your following feed. All you have to do is go to their profile. Once on the profile, tap on the share icon at the top right corner of your screen. And once you tap on the share icon, tap on the block option available there and confirm the block. They will no longer be able to view your profile videos or message you. Now, in order to unblock someone on TikTok, simply go back to your TikTok feed again. Now, all you have to do is tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Then tap on the three dashboard at the top right. Tap on the settings and privacy. Once inside settings and privacy, scroll down and tap on the privacy option available in there. Now there again, scroll and tap on the blocked accounts and you will see the list of people you have blocked. Tap on the unblock next to their name and now they can see your profile and interact with you again. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.